Hey, good afternoon. My name is Everett Rainer. We pastor church here in Fort Smith, Arkansas, the Churches of God in Christ. This is my wife, Cynthia. And energy improvements has really improved the living conditions in our home. For an example, we've been with them for 6 months now, March of 2017, and it's now the first part of September 2017. But for an example, we had in the summertime we had to keep the air conditioner temperature set at about 70 degrees to really feel the good part of the air. But now, since we've had the insulation installed, it's we leave it at about 77, and it's working real well.
Very comfortable.
I don't have any statistics for you, but I know we don't have any hot spots or colder spots. It's just it remains the same throughout the house. But I'm just tickled about this. This is really you may think you can't afford it, but it's you cannot be without it. Winter heat, summer cool. It's
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 worth
all
it.
right.
It's
It's worth it. It's worth it. So I would advise you just to
Invest
adventure.
in it.
It would be an investment. It would be an
A
investment.
great investment.